Hey guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day here, so I thought what I might do is run through my rear step that I have hanging off my spare wheel. If you're lucky enough to have a four-wheel drive or a 4B that's got a spare wheel on the back, this is the video for you. Now, the step attaches to the rear wheel. Now, I know there's those other steps you can get out there, they hook over the tyre and you can climb up that way. And there's those other ones you hook into your door thingy, whatever it's called, you know, where you close the door and you step on those. I'm sure they're really good, but I find this one is the right one for me. I've had it from Front Runner and I've had it for a number of years now. I got it for a good price about 4 or 5 years ago when I bought the FJ, and I thought it was a really good investment for me. So what I'll do is I'll run through what it's all about and all the rest of it. We'll attach it to the spare and we'll go from there. All right, so let's get stuck in, eh? This is the rear step. It weighs, they say, about 4 kilo, I think. It's made of stainless steel and it's powder coated. As I said before, I've had this for a number of years and it's had no rust on it at all. It doesn't have any little, you know, grippy things on here, but it's got little holes so you don't slip off it. I've climbed up and down. Now, it'll fit on either way to side of the tyre, so it will go for your right-hand side or your left-hand side of your tyre. So whichever way you want to put it on, it'll work for you. It also has like little grippy things here to grip onto your tyre. They don't have sharp edges or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about your tyre at all. And it's pretty solid. I don't know what it's rated at, but let's just say I'm under 100 kilo, so it'll hold me. And if you're 100 kilo, you're doing all right. It'll hold you up all right. That's basically all it is. It has a ratchet type strap thing here. Now, as I said, I've had this on the car for a number of years. There's a little bit of fading on the webbing, which you would expect, but it's held up fairly well. And the car's usually kept out in the open anyway. So what we'll do is we'll pop this on the tyre. Now, tyre size, I hear you ask. Will it fit on my tyre? Mine are 33s. They say, this is Front Runner, say it will go up to, it'll go around a 35-inch tyre. So that's a pretty big tyre on your 4B that you got hanging off the back. So it's adjustable strap. So let's just put it on and see how we go, eh? Okay, guys. All right, we're going to attach it to the wheel on the back of the 4B. Now, when you buy these, it doesn't come with all this attached, so you have to attach it. Just follow the instructions. They're pretty easy. If I can work it out, hey, you can work it out. Now, you just attach this to the wheel. It goes up and just around that way. Now, it'll move all over the place when you first get it because you've got to sort of muck around a little bit to get it right. But it will go together. So you just attach the strap around like that. And then you work out where you want it on your wheel. So if you've got a 35, obviously go a bit higher or lower. But when you attach it, you want it fairly square on so you can step up. And you just adjust it via the ratchet strap here. Now, this is pretty easy. You just sort of get it on and just ratchet it up sort of in place where you want it and then adjust it accordingly. So we'll just adjust it accordingly. And you want to get it in the center of your tyre too. You don't want it off to one side. So you just got a bit of mucking around to do when you first got it on. But the good thing about this is you get a flat tyre, you just take it off and throw it in the back of the car and you're right to go. So yeah, we just adjust it up and we're right to go. Yep, looks about square. Don't be scared to really tighten her up. That's as solid as she's going to get, mate. Now, you do have a bit of extra, because remember, this is only on 33, so on 35s it goes higher. But as I said, try and get that strap right in the center of your tyre. This isn't, so I'll have to readjust it. All right, let's get stuck in and readjust it so it's right for me. All right, it's on and it's ready to go. Now, you know what? You're going to have a bit of strap left over unless you've got 35s on your car, which I don't. These are only 33s. But one day I might get 35s. You never know. So you wrap this up and around. Don't cut it, as I said just before, and just wrap it around your tyre like that and just attach. What I do with mine is I just put some cable ties on it so it's nice and neat. So I'll show you how I put it in the center of the tyre. I'll just grab the camera and I'll show you. Here we go. Just like that, right bang in the center of your tyre. Obviously you've got muddies, you're going to have, you know, it's going to be a bit bulkier and all that sort of thing, but these are just the old BFG KO2s I think I got on this thing, and it just sits there. So I'll just put some cable ties on that to make it nice and neat. What I'll do now is I'll make sure I can hold my weight. Now, I know it will hold my weight because it did last time, so let's still hope it will hold my weight. Not too many burgers lately. All right, let's just jump on that back step and have a bit of a bounce around and I'll show you how it all goes together. Okay, the step's on, she's ready to go. Front Runner are not a sponsor of my channel. They've given me nothing. So when I bought it, as I said a few years ago, I got it for the right price. I think they're about 200 bucks now, thereabouts. So yeah, it's pretty good. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump up, give the ultimate torture test, or the weight test as you would say, and we'll go from there. Don't forget, if you've liked the video thus far, give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing, that would be awesome. So let's jump up and give her a go, eh? Here we go. And a bounce. There you go. It's not going anywhere, that step. All right, that's the Front Runner rear step on the FJ. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you then. All right, cheers.